We continue our Heart of the Valley series on diabetes, and doctors tell us diabetes does not discriminate.
Anyone can get it, even those with existing health problems or disabilities. Channel 5's Leslie Aguilar found out that being deaf and having diabetes can be difficult to deal with.
Dr. Sean Saladin is an associate dean for the UTRGV College of Health Affairs. He's also legally deaf.
We are just like everybody else.
Saladin says, just like others in the valley, you'll find many diabetic people in the deaf community.
Having hearing loss doesn't necessarily lead to diabetes, okay? But not having the information about how to eat healthy, how to control blood sugar, that leads to diabetes. And that also leads to other health complications.
Our Heart of the Valley series has highlighted the lack of access to health care and health literacy in many parts of the valley. Many people don't know how to live healthy. In the deaf community, the problem is the lack of interpreters, people who can properly educate those with hearing loss on health issues.
There's communication barriers there, and the communication barriers are the interpreters. The need for interpreters in order to explain what the issues are and what diabetes is.
Not just anyone can translate what a doctor says to a person who can't hear. The interpreter has to understand the medical terms themselves to be able to explain in American Sign Language or Mexican Sign Language.
If you don't know how to take care of it, then it's going to get worse. And it's going to cause other problems, like we haven't even touched on diabetic retinopathy yet. Now you're deaf, and then you start losing your vision. That's pretty scary.
Saladin says about 15,000 people with hearing loss live from Laredo to Brownsville. There aren't enough medical interpreters to serve them.
People get confused that not hearing means you don't understand. Not hearing just means you didn't hear it. It hasn't been explained to you, or you just didn't hear what was happening.
He says the deaf shouldn't be forgotten in the fight against diabetes. In Edinburgh, Leslie Aguilar, Channel 5 News at 6.
And you still have a couple of days to get a free diabetes screening. Channel 5 is teaming up with HEB, Dr. Mansour Yaji, and South Texas Health System to help raise awareness through our Heart of the Valley efforts. You can get screened at Dr. Yaji's offices in Edinburgh or McAllen all week long. The times are listed on your screen. HEB will also continue its free screenings tomorrow morning and through the weekend. You can visit any one of these HEB locations in Rio Grande City, Mission, Edinburgh, Brownsville, and Harlingen. The free screenings are available from 9 a.m. until noon. And you can also head on over to the Outpatient Rehabilitation Center on 5th Street and Savannah in McAllen. They're also offering free testing from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. And for more information on our Heart of the Valley, you can go to our website at krtv.com.